Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. Whenever there's a crash involving a Tesla, the media love to report on it. I hold my hand up too because I'm guilty of this also, as you have seen from many of my videos involving Teslas, bad drivers and their poor owners. Today is Saturday, September 17th, and the headline that caught my attention was Tesla car catches fire after crashing into lamppost. 2 injuries reported. The news article describes the Tesla catching fire after it hits a lamppost. This was around 10:30 in the morning. Later in the article, it reports the Tesla arrived at the Kowloon Bay Vehicle Detention and Examination Center to be tested, and at around 2:13 in the afternoon, the Tesla suddenly caught fire again. That is, it reignited. Looking at the photo of the crash, you can observe that the Tesla Model X actually crashed into at least 2 knee-high metal side barriers before crashing into the lamppost. This would seem to indicate that the battery pack, which is at the base of the Tesla, may have been ruptured by the metal side barriers. If this appears to be a battery-related fire, then the lamppost, which is involved in the forward impact absorbing front collision, may not be the cause or may not be the primary cause of the electrical fire. The reignition of the battery fire in the Tesla several hours after the crash indicates that it is a battery rupture. This also demonstrates that Hong Kong's first responders to EV fires may not be adequately trained. 2 years ago, in November 2020, the National Transportation Safety Board in the US looked at safety risks to emergency responders from lithium-ion battery fires in electric vehicles, and they made some recommendations. One of those main recommendations was directed directly at emergency responders such as firefighters and traffic towing and recovery organizations, who may be the first to respond to high voltage lithium-ion battery fires in electric vehicles. They are the ones that need to be informed and made aware of the fire risks involved with EVs. I will leave some references that may be useful to anyone watching this video in the description below. Here in Hong Kong, there is no official organisation similar to the NTSB, which provides dedicated investigations and reports on all transport incidents. However, if I do come across any future follow-up investigations to this Tesla battery fire incident or other fires involving EVs, then I will report them on this channel. Happy to hear what you think too, so please share your comments below. As always, thanks for watching and stay safe.